This is the second study group with industry in Cyprus, after the first one that happened in Limassol in 2016.
So we were very lucky to have 37 people from 10 countries, and it was very nice to see a mix of seasoned participants in study groups that have been doing this for many years, and also newcomers who had the chance to work on a problem.
This study group in particular has been funded also by the MyNet network, which is a cost project funded by the EU, and so is a big opportunity that the EU is giving to mathematicians to meet industry and industrial problems.
We are also trying to create a very simplistic model of how the gap between females and males' salaries can increase or decrease based on different factors. So the experience of the study group here in Cyprus has been amazing so far. We divided ourselves in Team A and Team B. People who were more interested in a specific area, they were free to choose which team they want to go, so they went to Team A or to Team B. Somebody plugs the machine on the projector and says, this is a task, who wants to grab A, B, C, and everyone's really keen to help so we can move forward tomorrow.
When you're doing research, it's not often that you have an opportunity to interact so closely with such a big group of people and with such a range of experience. The results from industrial maths can have a lot of impact.
For example, instead of doing physical experiments that could be hard to design and hard to carry out, you can do these things on a computer, and then you can do lots and lots of simulations that would be very difficult to do.
Something that many industries haven't tried.
The project that we've been working on here is with a company called Separations.
Our company does ceramic microfilters. These are filters made of ceramics that have conical pores that go straight through.
Those pores must be related to the capacity of the membrane to filter things.
We ended up with more problems than solutions, but that is a fantastic achievement as well from an intellectual point of view.
So if this problem is solved, we can go for applications such as purification of air or indoor air purification and cancer research.
What we care about is understand why sometimes our operations are not as efficient as they should be.
These kind of study groups are really important for industry and society because they show to the world that mathematics is really important.
As a mathematician, I feel incredibly proud and honoured that my skill set can be used to solve such problems.
And how actually scientific academic knowledge can be applied to resolve problems in society, and this is what really matters.
You can learn a lot from joining one of these study groups because the problems are very varied, and you end up learning a lot of new skills, not only from your fellow researchers in the room, but also from just talking with the industry as well.
The best case scenario is one in which the study group sort of gives birth to a longer collaboration.
And of course it's exciting for the industry people because they really have problems that matter to them. And sometimes data gets very confusing. But getting them to do group work brings a new delight.
This study group was a great opportunity to work to solve in a mathematical way real industrial and social problems.